I thought I'd make a quick video about this new fretting tool I made. This is to install frets. This is like has a perfect radius on it. It's a 12-inch radius. You get these from Stewart McDonald, and they also sell a tool to push the frets in that's like a ridiculous sum of money. I just buy these tips for $5, and this is just a block of wood, and I put it through my table saw to put that cut in it, just as you see on the other side. I messed up there. And then my saw was a little bit bigger than this, so what worked out perfectly is folding a piece of paper in half and just laying it down there as I pressed this in, and then I stuck it on the ground, gave it a good whack with my fist, and now it's a perfect fretting tool. This other side, it's just a spacer I put on there that I move. As I get to the end of the fretboard, I'll move this closer. And what you do is you just sit it on the neck. This part goes on the fret, and it's placed there perfect, and you tap on it with your hammer, and it gets the fret in perfect. It works really well, and it only cost me $5.